What's it say on it?
Well,
Charged enough?
mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm looking to share in there. There, that should be it right there. There we go. Share to a group. I don't think that's, yeah, I think that worked. Stop scrolling, pop in here and say hello. Watch me do the Merry and Bright board. I'm using the board and base. It is $7.99. It is a two-sided board. I have my looking sharp on one side, and I'm going to do this side. You can also do them that way too. These are really cute boards to have for starters. Okay, let me get a couple of my chalk pastes over here ready. So I'm going to use Meadow. That's a nice green. Candy Apple, of course. I've got Bright White. I think those will be good. Let's start with these three colors. Okay, and after a bit here, I might want to zoom in. Okay, so I'm taking my transfer off of my backer sheet for starts. Okay, and this is a really cute transfer to do all kinds of different things because these are reusable. You can do so many things with this. I love it. Okay, looks like I could do, trying to think, could do a red, green, red, green, red, maybe red, green, red, red. This I can do in white, maybe that too, red, and then maybe these little stars. Trying to think out loud how I want to do it. All right, let me get my chalk paste open and stirred. So we're ready to go. That looks good. See how green is. This meadow color. Okay, that seems a bit thicker. Let me put some water in here. So I'm adding water because these are water soluble, the chalk paste. So if it's too thick, add water. If it's too thin, leave the lid off for a little while and you'll get the right consistency. So you want it to be like yogurt consistency. Like a nice, or sour cream or yogurt consistency. That's the best. It will work well for both of those. The red was a little bit thinner, but still good. So you'll find different colors are different texture, different consistency. So white, bright white. Yeah, that's on the thicker side too. Okay, getting these all ready to go. Now this is a little bit of a detailed transfer. So I'm going to show you the pull and dry technique with this so that you don't end up going slowly on this one because you're doing a bunch of color changes, and then have your chalk paste actually dry in the screen of your silk screen transfer. So chalk paste made into a paste, so it has liquid in it. It dries really fast. So I would say from beginning to end of the project, you kind of go quick. Unless you're first starting out, you tend to go way slower because you're unsure. So you take your time. So that's why I like to do this method where you pull it, do a section, pull that down, let that dry, or I'll use my blow dryer and speed dry some areas. So that's what we're going to try to do. Let me get us zoomed in closer to my board so you can see some details. Okay, there we are. Sorry for this in the way of my face, but that's okay. All right, let me show you what we're going to do. I'm going to pull a couple of my little cut up squeegees over here because they are good. I take like my mini squeegees and I cut them down into little pieces. And that is good to get into little areas. So we're going to do Mary, the word Mary. I'm just going to do the candy apple, nice bright red, very pretty. Notice I'm using my squeegee kind of almost like it's standing up. That helps push down that chalk paste right into the screen. All right, I'm going to take some white, do these stars. And then I'm going to grab right here. There's like some little bows on these ornaments that are hanging. Okay, now this is the part I want to show you. This little drying trick that I do. Okay, so now I'm going to take the side edge here. I'm going to pull this back. It's going to rest it right here. We're going to let that section dry, or it's going to fly back down. We're going to let that section dry. We can do little edits of whatever we need, like this little smudge right there. We're just going to let that air dry a little bit. And what it's going to do is allow us to put this back down and have more time to complete this. So I've got my ribbons here. I've got my stars. As soon as this is all the way dry, and if you have a blow dryer, you can do a speed drying. So a little bit of sound here. Just go over with like a cool setting because you don't want hot heat right near that transfer. So just do a cool setting, dry it. Check it, make sure it's dry. Okay, now I'm just going to let go of this and let it go down, but I'm not going to press down on the areas that already have chalk on it because I don't want to reactivate the chalk paste on my board by allowing the area in the screen where it's still damp in a couple places to stick to it and pull chalk paste back up off of the board. So I'm only going to press down these little ornaments over here on the right and make sure that the lower part of my transfer is down. That is it. Not going to touch where the chalk paste is. All right, so now let's get some of this color Meadow. We're going to do this ornament with Meadow. Okay. We can do and right here. Okay, that's good there. I'm going to do these stars. This little ribbon right here. Okay, we're going to do the word bright. Get these letters good. I want to smooth it all out. Make sure I have no lines. That looks pretty good. All right, we are almost done. All right, I'm going to lift up from the bottom here and see if I can pull this way. We're going to let this area dry where we just did the white and the green. Let that dry good. So there's all kinds of little cheater ways of doing this. And we're trying to sneak in a couple of our little secrets here. How to do this board successfully. We got a couple ornaments we have to do. Like I said, cool setting on your blow dryer. You don't need a craft heating gun. That is too much heat near your transfer because these are made out of vinyl and those will melt. So just a cool setting, and then make sure all your chalk paste is nice and dry. Now I'm going to gently let this go back down onto its position. I only need to do these ornaments now, so I'm just going to press down that ornament, this one. We're doing them both in red. So I am going to get a little bit of this candy apple red for that ornament and this one. Smooth it out. Now we can take the whole transfer off and stick it in the water. We are done. And there you have it. All right, so that's going to soak in the water. I'll clean that up. So that turned out nice. I did have one star right there, but that turned out very nice. So that was using my little trick at peeling back certain areas and letting it dry. I thought that worked well. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close up these chalk paste because I have lots left and I want to not have it dry out too much. So that is our board and base. So now I have two sides to it done. And on the other side, I had, this was our Chalk Couture transfer from, gosh, I want to say it was August. Might have been September though. That was a cute one. So this Merry and Bright is a nice one to put on my desk at work. Cute little holiday thing. There are so many really good transfers right now that are so super cute that you could do for gifts and stuff. This board and base only being $7.99 is a really good one to pick. There's just a lot of different small A-size transfers, which is our 5x7 size, that are great for doing on our small boards. Looking for my little spiel. Here it is. There we go. Okay, so here's my spiel. All right, so you may love this video and share it as many times as you'd like to, especially if you have family and friends that don't know about Chalk Couture yet. They might want to watch a video. So I'm on Facebook. I'm also on YouTube, and it's the same name, Beth's Classy Chalking. So please go on to YouTube and subscribe. That helps get my videos out there. If you're interested in being in the Transfer of the Month Club and do this from your home, this is one of our transfers, looking sharp, cute. It is $19.99, and it will come to your house with 3 chalk pastes, whatever the colors are that month. So you get these little pouches, 3 different shades of chalk paste, and it's enough to do that chalking, that transfer for the month, and have a little bit left over. If you roll the top down and put like a paper clip or a piece of tape across it, it'll stay good for you to do other projects. So that, all you have to do is comment on one of my videos or this video, club, and I will send you the link to that. If you're interested in joining my team, which is growing quickly, go ahead and put the word join, and I'll send you the link so you can check that out. And also, if you are not a customer in my customer VIP group, you need to be in there. Those are where all the sales and all the good deals are on stuff, and I would not want you to miss out. So just leave in the comments, add me, and I'll send you the link so you can join that. Beth's Classy Chalking VIP is what it's called. You can also just go to Beth's Classy Chalking VIP on Facebook and find it that way and request to join. But for a Wednesday night, I hope your week is going well, and I hope that you are nice and comfy, cozy in your house. It's the coldest day of fall right now for us here. I woke up at 10 degrees. It was cold. So anyway, I hope you have a great Wednesday night. Hope everyone's doing well, and thank you so much for watching. Bye now.